start off with, I'm taking some chopped chocolate and we have to melt it first. So after melting, this is how it should look. Now I'll add coconut oil and honey to it and give it a quick mix. Stir them well so that the ingredients are incorporated properly. Now finally I am adding desiccated coconuts and give it a quick mix. This is actually going to add the extra oomph in the recipe. Because I have used half the recipe, I got 3 hearts. When you use the full recipe, you can get 6 hearts, or any other tin line that you have, or any other mold, any silicone mold will do for that matter. We are going to set it in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes and then we are going to demold them. So after setting them in the fridge for say about 15 to 20 minutes, they will come off beautifully. See this? You can drizzle them with chocolate. You can add some sprinkles on top of it, a desiccated coconut, and this is a delicious treat.